Hello students. So today we have come up with our new chapter, chapter 6, ratio, proportion and unitary methods. So your chapter indicates that there is a three major portions in this chapter. First is ratio, second is proportion and third is unitary method. So now we are going to discuss about ratio. So what is ratio? Ratio is generally the ratio of division of or comparison of two units, two digits or any two quantities. So like you can see here we have put ratio 1 ratio 2, which means actually a division, like 1 ratio 2 means 1 by 2. So here we have what? Simply division. If we are considering 3 ratio 4, then it generally means 3 by 4. It is actually a division, just the way of representation is quite different. Okay. So now here you have given 3 ratio 4. If I write 4 ratio 3, is that both are equal? No, they can't be equal, because it simply means 3 by 4 and it simply means 4 by 3. So is it 3 by 4 is equals to 4 by 3? Not na. So we can say ratios, after interchanging these digits, ratios can't be equal because they are in division and this is not equal. So now ratio consists of two main parts, left hand term and right hand term. So left hand term is called antecedent and the right hand term is called consequent. So you can check it from your books that the left hand term or the numerator term is called antecedent and the denominator term, the right hand term, is called consequent. This is generally your ratio. For comparing two ratios, you have to know that the both quantities must be in same unit. Unit must be same, so that units will be cancelled out and there is no unit for ratio, because it is generally used for comparison, for division. There is no unit of ratio, right? So we are considering question number 1 according to your examples in your books. Check out your book. So first is ratio of 300 gram and 6 kg. So their units are quite different. So firstly we are going to convert kg in gram, right? So what is it in grams? 6000 grams, right? 1 kg consists of 1000 grams. So what we have? 300 grams and 6000 grams. We have to compare it. So first terms will become in numerator and second term will become in denominator. So what we have? 300 by 6000. So what we are going to do? We are going to cancel this, and what we have? 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 in ratio, you can also write that 1 ratio 20, or you can even say this ratio can be read out like 1 is to 20. 1 is to 20. So you can also read this ratio like that. Even you can read 1 ratio 20, or you can use 1 is to 20. So now moving to our next question, which is generally a simple calculating question, which is there are 720 students in a school and in them 280 are boys. So other remaining are girls. So first we are going to find out the number of girls, that how many numbers of girls read in school. So 720 are the total strength and 280 are the boys. So what we are going to do? We are going to just subtract these 720 minus 280, and here you will get the sum 440. The total number of girls in the schools are 440. So 440 girls are. So in first part, what you have to do? I am going to solve only first part and you have to solve other parts. So first, boys to do that of girls, we have to find the ratio, that the number of boys and number of girls in that school. So first will come the first. So number of boys, there are 280 boys. So 280 is to the number of girls, means to say 440. And what you are going to do? To divide it 280 by 440. So by which it will be divisible? Just divide it by 4. First of all you have to cancel zeros, and after by dividing by 4. Is it right? Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to solve a next question. According to that questions, so some of the typical questions from our exercise is, so first we are going to solve, so till first, second, third part, that was MCQs and true, false and fill ups. You have to solve that all alone. So we are going to consider question number 4. So which is, you have given a ratio 35 ratio 105 and you have to convert in the least fractional ratios. Means to say you have to divide it and to convert it into a smallest fraction or smallest ratio. So we are going to write this like 105. So now you are going to divide this. So when you will divide, you will get 1 by 3 because 35 3s are 105. And if this seems complicated to you, you can also divide it by step. So 105, firstly you have to divide it by 5. So 5 7 is 35 and 21. Now you can also divide these because 7 3 are 21, so 1 by 3. That both will give you the exact same answer, and there are many more these type of questions and you have to solve it. Okay. So now moving to our question number 6. Question number 6 and part number 10. Here you have given, you have to calculate the ratio for 24 minutes to an hour. Hour consists of 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So as we want the same units, so that both will be cancelled out and the ratio will be unitless. Okay. So we have 24 minutes to compare with 60 minutes. So what we are going to do, we are going to mention it like that, 24 ratio 60. And now again we are going to represent in the division form, and again we will cut it. Okay. So when we will cut it, what we will get? 4 by 10, right? You can divide it, and 4 by 10, after this can be all further divided and you will get 2 by 5 as the answer. So you will have 2 by 5. So similarly you can solve other parts of this question. And one more typical question, which is question number 9. You have given the two number ratios, 2 ratio 7, and what the exact number? The exact number is, for the addition is 99. As you know, ratios can be represented as the least fractional, right? So we have mentioned 2 by 7. So what is the exact term for after the division, after the addition? So what will be? It is 99. So let the multiples be x. So if you are writing this, you can also use this also, because x got cancelled and you will get the exact same term. So you can also use 2x by 7x. So now what you have to do, you have given the addition so that the number will be 99. So what you are going to do, you are going to add these both. So 2x plus 7x giving you 99. So here you have to do add. So you will have 9x giving you 99, and x is equals to 99 by 9, x is equal to 11. So what you will have, x is equals to 11. So the two parts we will have, what it is, we have 2 into 11 giving you 22 and 7 into 11 giving you 77, and the total is 99. So like this you can solve other questions too, because this is a too easy exercise. Until next lecture you have to solve all these questions till this exercise, and next we will continue next concept in proportion and unitary method. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.